Hello guys, welcome to another SMC DAO tutorials, and on today's tutorial we'll be talking on how to make investment on coded estate. Right, that's on the Nibiru ecosystem, and we know that coded estate it redefines property ownership with fractionalized real estate investment. Now it deals in the part of Web3 where we have RWA, real world assets. So now coded estate launched on the Nibiru ecosystem when Nibiru was in its testnet phase and beta test phase, right? All you need to do is search for coded estate, codedestate.com. It takes you to their landing page, which is this easiest way to buy, sell real estate. All you need to do, okay, join their waitlist. Previous persons must have done this. You do not need to do this. If you have already done this by joining in on their waitlist, but if you haven't, you could still join in on their waitlist. You click on the X and you connect your wallet. I'll be connecting my Kepler wallet. Alright, I've connected my Kepler wallet here, and this is the properties dashboard, and this is the clean estate dashboard where persons could claim their available test date, right, where they got it from the Nibiru claim. So it was part of the Nibiru claim for persons that were qualified for this. And fun fact, Nibiru did give some gas fee for this too. So all you need to do is just you head back to your properties dashboard, and now you could see available, funded and exited. Now this, the available shows properties that are available, and you could see there are no properties available yet. And I'll click on the funded tab and you could see properties that have already been funded, and all of these have already been funded, and you cannot invest into this or buy into any of this. You could see Dubai, Kodas Mansion, Skyline, Nibiru Penthouse, Azure Bay Tower, Nibi Tower 2, and all of these. These are available. These were available before now, before they became fully funded. You could see here 100% funded. All you need to do is just stay poised for new update on if any property is available to buy, and you get yourself poised for this. And these are exited properties, maybe properties I have sold, and I haven't sold any properties yet. And all you need to do is you could use your test date that you claim to buy in on this property, and the minimum allocation, I clicked on here, the minimum allocation to get any of this is 100 test date, right? Is 100 test date to get any into any of this, but you could use 200, 400, 900, as high as possible, right? Currently now there's no allocation available for this. You could see the zero in here, and you can see now the property price is 750,000 test paid from persons that bought for about 100 tested. Now this is really, this is like the it's changing. This is literally real estate in the Web3, and we are so poised to have this on the Nibiru ecosystem. So I hope you learned a lot from today's tutorial video. Do well to like and subscribe to SMC Tutorial channel, and do well to comment if you get confused on the way, and also do click on the bell button to keep yourself updated for every new videos we upload and for every videos we have on the SMC Tutorial channel. Thank you so much. Bye.